Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, and today I am unboxing the latest beauty soap box from Walmart. This is the Winter 2024. Now, this is a quarterly box that Walmart has, and it's a really good price, like less than $7, and that's pretty much the cost of shipping. So, and it usually comes with about 5 or 6 items. Most of the items are listed on the what's inside card, but sometimes they'll just add a freebie in there and just so that you can give it a try. So let's see what we have in the box for this winter 2024 edition. So the first thing we have is the CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion. Now this, of course, is a trial size. If you wanted to get, and I do use CeraVe, so I really like that. I'm going to put that in my travel bag. A full size will cost about $16.97. That will be a 12-ounce bottle. The next thing we have is some fragrance, and it is Paris Hilton for Women Eau de Parfum. Full size is 1.7 ounces, and it will cost $26.97. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what's getting alert. Sorry about that, y'all. Thought I turned my alerts off. And it really smells pretty good. I like it. I don't like that strong, stuff. Just really light, florally. The next thing we have is the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen with an SPF of 35. So it's a good SPF. A full size will cost about $14, and that's a 1.7 ounce. And this actually is a full size. That was a full size, by the way, y'all. The next thing we have is the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. Full size is about 1 ounce, and it is $14.98. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. When I did this film, and I'm doing a voiceover, so I haven't tried these yet, except for one of them. Now the CeraVe, I'm familiar with that. All right, so now we have the CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain in shades Will Vary. A full size is about 1.7 or 0.05 fluid ounces, and it's $8.98. So, yeah. Now, EOS. I've had EOS before, and I love EOS. Yes, and this is EOS 24-hour moisturizer super balm, and the flavors vary. Now, I have tried this one out already, y'all, and I'm telling you, I like it. I'm a little bit biased because I love EOS. And this is the Winter Wonders subscription box or beauty box from Walmart. I hope that you enjoyed these. Now, do you subscribe to the beauty box? If not, why not? I'll put a link to it in my description box. Until next time, friends, take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye.